This is a video chart presentation of NeoGenomics Inc. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker NEO. Stock had a couple nice days to wrap this week up. Green close on Thursday, then pushed through the 50-day moving average on Friday to close up another 4.75% at $3.53. Stock price is definitely facing some resistance in this area, but with momentum that seems to be building coming off the support at $3. So we're going to keep an eye on starting next week out to see how it performs. Now we notice since touching that $3 support, MACD is trending back towards zero. And now even at that important point to try and push through the zero mark, something that it's failed to do each time it's made that ascension back towards positive territory. So especially facing the resistance, that's going to be a key thing we're going to watch for. A break through zero would show the trend taking on a much more bullish look and would lend to the idea of the stock trying to uptrend off this double bottom. Slow stochastics also pushing upward, breaking through 50, showing that the bulls are taking control of momentum. Not getting a great deal from the money flow index. You can see it actually stalled out at 50. That just tells me the stock price is staying near 14-day averages right now. Want to see it on the upper half of that indicator. It's a much more bullish sign when people are paying higher prices for the stock. The RSI is going along with the full stow. It's another gauge of momentum, pushing through 50. And you can see outside of a little blip here and there, it's been a difficult area for it to maintain, saying the chart has struggled to maintain momentum for any consistent basis. So with that, even if it does want to drop back down, we'll want to see it hold over top of 50 and then bounce and go up and make a little bit higher level to show that momentum is staying strong in the play. Now I want to go ahead and note this support. I'm going to go ahead and mark it at $3. Stock actually did dip below it just a little bit, I think down to around $2.80 or so. But historically speaking, you can see this area is an area of support, even going back almost a year ago. So it's an important spot for it. If it does want to drop back down, to see it hold that. Because if it doesn't, odds of it coming back down to around 250, probably at that point being a new 52-week low, are really increased, and the chart just kind of loses its appeal. So $3 is an important spot to the downside. Now to the upside, stock did close 353. You can see at that 350 mark was a support level in the fourth quarter of 2013. So classic TA says that's going to serve as resistance. And it's really going to kind of be just a tough spot in general, up to around $3.80. See these recent highs over the last few months, and as well going back into the fourth quarter. Now, it's still not a bad little upside from current levels of about 10%, but what I'm looking for is that trend to go more bullish and for some sustained momentum to try and cruise right through that area, because there's not a lot of resistance again up to around this $4.30 area, which of course will be the first stepping stone towards a new high, which happened to be $4.69 back in January. This is somewhat thinly traded stock. See 157,000 shares on Friday. Probably right about a 3-month average for it, maybe slightly below. But again, on breakouts, you can see volume can come pouring in, and that's what I'd be looking for, even right through here, but even probably more importantly, up at the top end of this channel, around $3.80. I'd be looking for some big days, show some strong buying pressure to take that out, which again would lend to the idea of potentially going up and trying to challenge the old highs. Ultimately, it's a pretty nice looking chart because of the holding this support. Moving averages are coming together. I don't have the 200-day in here, but it's actually tucked right in the middle as well. Moving averages tend not to want to trend together, so I start to look for a bigger move when they all converge. And that's just one more point as to why we'll be keeping an eye on the NEO chart in the days ahead. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the NeoGenomics chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.